Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today we are going to have the discussion on impressive web designing. Let me start with my slideshow. Impressive web designing. The first thing what we should know about impressive web designing is what is web design? What is web design? And how it. So here web design refers to design of website that are displayed on internet. So you have seen many at times when you have seen many attractive websites and other things. So how it will be designed with the help of certain coding and other things, and this is used to display on the internet. Usually refer to the user experience aspect of website development rather than software development. It is where you will be getting all the HTML files and other files which are related to this to design the web. Okay, and web designer works on the appearance, layout, the CSS content of them is what it will be, how the website should be look, how its content should be seen. Everything should be designed worked by the web designers who look out with the how it is appearance, what is its layout, what is the cases which we should be included there, and all those things. For a good web design, what is main thing, it should suit all the user requirements. Okay, and what are the brand of the website. For example, I have just want now that I want a website location for the uh, clothes. Now using so many of the clothes according to the wears, daily wears and other things, the how attractive you can make a website, or how design, what are the acceptance of the uh, client, and according to that you can make these things. So that is your web design. Next, what we are learning about, how does the web work. From this diagram only, if you have seen here, step 1, when you type the domain name and click on the browser, it send a request to the DNS, that is domain name system server, for the finding the web server IP address. Okay, now in Google I just search for, I am a client, I'm going and searching for the website. Let me go, I'm searching for the website of Amazon. Now the what it will be going, when we search it, it first go to the server where the website is residing. Okay, and then the request is sent to them. When it sees that under according to the request, the response will be getting up, the server will give the response with the help of IP address, and you will be getting to know with the Amazon site. Hope you understood. It has a mapping of URL and server IP similar to the phone book. Again, the next part, if you have seen, a simple, if you want working with the W, now I just want to type and I want a textbook. What I will send a request to the server again from the other computer part, and it will give the response to that machine. So as a client you will be working how this is the way the web work. So hope you understand these things. The component of what are the component, first is the web page. What is a web page? A text file which is designed with the help of HTML. Okay, that is a hypertext markup language. Then a website, it is a content of interlinked web pages containing all the web pages which are connected with the help of audio, image and videos, that is called as website. And one example it was given ebal, but you can give the many example are there nowadays. It is created with the help of HTML. Next is web browser. Web browser is where you browse or where you surf your pages, where you want find the web pages or website of us. That is called as web browser. And there are many web browser here: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla, and so on. Then is a server. What is a server? Server is where the application or the web page or the website is residing. You send a request, and that is called as a web server. A web server is an application Web server is an application or a computer that sends a web pages over the internet using the HTTP protocols. That is the hyper transfer protocol which we use, hypertext transfer protocols. That is all the protocol related to HTML. Okay. Next is what we are having. Component of other part, that is URL, that is a uniform. URL is nothing but the address where it resides on the web page of our internet, that is called the URL. And then we have the HTTP, that is the protocol which is used for the client server communication. This is one of the things. Then we are having HTML, that is the language which is used to implement a code for web pages. All these things are the component of webs. Next, what we are having the introduction to HTML. What are the HTML? HTML is nothing but a straightforward. We know this word only, hypertext markup language. Hyper means linking. Text is nothing but the document which is made for the HTML page to design, and markup which up to date, and the language we are using. It is used for developing and creating interactive websites. When many attractive websites we create with the help of HTML coding. It can be created with the help of Notepad or WordPad or certain other software which is used for designing the HTML code. That is one of the software is Adobe Dreamweaver. Next, the basic structure of HTML. What is the basic structure of it? Now, if you see, this is the HTML. It indicates what? That is the page which is designed, the text which is designed is of HTML documents. Then we have the head part. The head part return tags and give the information about the web, and the title give the information of the page title, which the title you give to the web page. Then we have a body tag which can give you the display the content of the web page, and last the closing of the HTML marks the end of the web page. So hope you understand the basic structure of HTML. Attribute. What are the attributes? Attributes are nothing but a certain additional information we give to the HTML pages. All HTML element can be having attribute, that is the basic characteristic we are having up. Provide additional information to the elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes are always specified in the start tag, not in the end tag. It should be in the start text. Attribute usually comes in name, value, and so on. HTML attributes are special words which provide additional information about the elements or the attributes or the modifier of that element. Each element or the tag can have attribute which defines the behavior, how the HTML page look should. The attribute names and values are case sensitive. You can add multiple attributes in one HTML element, but need to give space between the two attributes. These are the some of the rules which should be followed up. Next, what we are having example. Now let me go with the example. See here. What is the example I am going with? See, this is doc type HTML. Now what we are having, all the content head is no title I have given, only the head we have gone. Here we have given the heading, that is H1, the heading. What is the style attribute? Then we give him the styles, that is this the inline attributes, and we give that. This is all these things. This is an example of how it should look. Next, hope. Classification of HTML tags. HTML tags are classified into two types. One is the container tag and other is the empty tag. Container tag is a paired tag which are on and off tag, and the empty element tags are standalone tag. We just have the end tag. And for example, these are some of the tags which we are the empty tags. BR, link, BR link, image, HR, meta, and so some of these tags are empty tags which doesn't require the off tag. It itself shall give some important link. Now if you go link, it will be giving a link of one page. Image, if it will taking the image of one page. HR, it will be giving the horizontal line, and those this tags is only standalone tags. Okay, next, HTML5. Now we are learning HTML5. So HTML5 is the latest and most enhanced version of HTML. Technically, HTML is not programmable but rather a markup language. This is the markup language. And HTML5 is a cooperation between the World Wide Web Constraint and the hypertext. This is all the simple of the wave of HTML5. Hope you all understood what is the content we have to know about it. So please go and subscribe my channel, give the like button, and jazakallah beta. Please go through this video and make a note of it.